Looking to upgrade your home's windows? Watch how Cedar Vista Homes makes window replacement seamless and efficient. Our skilled team begins by carefully removing the old, outdated windows, ensuring no damage to your home's structure. We take precision to the next level, preparing the opening for a perfect fit. Next, we install the new energy-efficient windows, securing them tightly to prevent any drafts or leaks. Notice the meticulous attention to detail as we seal and insulate around the frame, providing superior protection against the elements. Once the new windows are in place, we conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything is perfect. From smooth operation to a flawless finish, our goal is your complete satisfaction. With the new windows installed, your home is instantly transformed. Enjoy the benefits of improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and a brighter, more inviting interior. Contact us today to start your window replacement journey.